Today we are going to bake a very tasty cheesecake. For today's cheesecake recipe, we need these ingredients. First we need to apply butter on our baking tray and line it with 2 parchment sheets. And also we need to make sure it comes about 2 inches above the pan. Now get a separate big bowl and beat cream cheese, sugar and salt until smooth. Then add eggs one at a time. Now we need to add vanilla. While beating, add whipping cream. Finally add flour and beat at low speed. When the batter is ready, we can pour it into our prepared 8-inch round baking tray and bake this cake around 55 to 60 minutes under 200 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven until deeply golden brown. While baking, if the top of the cake burns too fast, we can cover it with an aluminium foil and bake the rest. As soon as the cake comes out of the oven, it is jiggly in the center. Don't worry about that. Just let it cool down to room temperature before serving. If you would like to watch more of my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. See you soon with another delicious recipe.